Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick guide to unmute accounts on X, the platform formerly known as Twitter. Whether you muted someone by accident or want to reconnect with an account you've been missing, this process is simple. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Once you're in, look for your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. It's the little circle with your picture or initials. Tap that. A menu will slide out, and you'll see an option labeled Settings and Privacy. Give that a tap. Next, scroll through the settings until you spot Privacy and Safety. This is where X keeps all the controls for managing your interactions. Tap it, and you'll land on a page with several options. Look for the section titled Mute and Block. That's your next stop. Inside the Mute and Block menu, you'll see two tabs, Blocked Accounts and Muted Accounts. We're focusing on the muted ones, so tap Muted Accounts. Here, you'll find a full list of every profile you've muted. Scroll through or use the search bar if you're looking for someone specific. When you spot the account you want to unmute, you'll notice a red icon shaped like a speaker with a slash next to their name. That's the mute symbol. Tap it once, and a confirmation will pop up. Confirm your choice, and just like that, the account is unmuted. Their posts will reappear in your timeline, and you'll see their content like normal. And that's it. You've successfully unmuted an account on X. If you ever change your mind again, you can always revisit this list and mute them once more. Managing your feed is all about staying in control, and now you know exactly how to do it. Thanks for following along, and happy scrolling.